Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is loan words. So there are many English words that actually come from their other languages. So these words are often called loan words. Following are some loan words used in English frequently with राइट देयर करेक्ट मीनिंग. सो ये वर्ड जो है लोन वर्ड इनको कहते हैं, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किए जाते हैं. तो इनका क्या मतलब है वो आप बताएंगे. हेयर इज़ द हेल्प बॉक्स, राइट. सो द फर्स्ट इज डी फैक्टो. सो ये क्या होता है, रिलेटेड टू फैक्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज फैक्ट थ्रो इट मे बी लीगली अनएक्सेप्टेबल. सो दिस इज नंबर 1, फैक्ट. Second, that is exempli gratia. So this is by giving an example, okay, by way of example. By way of example. Third is pro rata. Pro rata, that means, pro rata means that is in proportion to. So this is number 3, in proportion to. Next is vice versa. Vice versa क्या होता है, उसका opposite, right? So vice versa is to say opposite is also true. So this is to say opposite is also true. This is number 4. Number 5, that is vis a vis, that means opposite. So number 5 is opposite. This is number 5. Opposite. Sixth is postmortem. Postmortem का मतलब क्या होता है, to investigate a dead body. So medical examination of a dead body. This is number 6. Okay, come to 7 number, that is in toto. In toto का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चे, that is completely. So number 7 is completely. Number 8, that is inter alia. Inter alia का मतलब होता है among other things. So among other things is here. This is number 8. Number 9. Number 9, that is ETCETRA, at cetera. इसका मतलब होता है and the rest. So and the rest, this is number 9. And the rest. Next is de jure. De jure का मतलब होता है बच्चे by right. So by right, specified the position of a legal right. So this is by right, number 10. Number 11, that is ad interim. Ad interim का मतलब होता है in the meantime. Okay, so that is in the meantime. So here in the meantime. So this is number 11, in the meantime. So next is number 12. So this is number 10. Number 12 is ab initio. Ab initio का क्या मतलब होता है बच्चे, that is from the beginning. तो यहाँ से आप लिखोगे from the beginning. नेक्स्ट इज बोनाफाइड. बोनाफाइड का मतलब होता है दैट इज जेन्युइन. ओके, सो दिस इज, यहाँ से आप ढूंढोगे जेन्युइन. दिस इज जेन्युइन. नंबर 13. Number 14, that is en route. En route means on the way. So on the way, that is on the way. Here is the word on the way. En route, on the way. Next is libitum. Libitum, 15 number, that is just mentioned above. So search from here, just mentioned above. So write down here, just mentioned above. Okay, number 6, that is malafide. Malafide means treacherously. Treacherously, this is number 16. Next is status quo. Status quo means the situation as it now. So, the situation as it now, write down here, the situation as it now. And the last is prima facie. Prima facie means based on the first impression. So, write down here, based on the first impression, okay, first impression. So, about the fact bank, that you have to know, AD is the abbreviation for the Latin phrase Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord and is used for dates after Jesus birth. So, बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे और एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे.